Yo, hello everyone, welcome back again. Yes, your African boys.
Samsona aka Wahala Boy from Sudan.
Yes, Gabs Gabi from South Sudan.
Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all. Myself, Muhib from Nigeria. Hey, Zimbabwe.
Nigeria. Zimbabwe is from. You're from Pakistan.
From Pakistan.
From Pakistan.
Bangladesh.
Santo from Sudan.
Yeah.
Abdullah from Sudan.
All right.
Yeah.
So guys, today we get to know.
We have a little small show.
English problem. He has English problem. He knows Arabic. He can speak Arabic.
So
All right,
tell us something in Arabic.
Somehow.
Yeah, I know Arabic,
Somehow.
but not that much.
Yeah.
Let me speak in English. Today,
Arabic.
In Arabic. Okay, اليوم نحس. Hey. اوكي اليوم سوف نتحدث عن الفرق بين دولة الهند باكستان وبنغلاديش.
Okay, so today we are going to react, guys, and at the same time it's kind of learning about India versus Pakistan and Bangladesh. So we are so curious also to know. Currently we are in India. And we know so much about India. And me and Mohib
Not
also.
really, I know only small about myself.
Me and Mohib, we know also so much about Bangladesh because we usually do reaction on Bangladesh. And those guys behind, they are from Pakistan, so they know also so much about Pakistan.
Background, yeah.
So we are going to learn the real information here, and we'll tell. We want to see the difference also, guys. Yeah. Unity. We are here. We love all the country, guys. Let's learn. Let's go.
Hello guys, today we see 1 India versus 4 Pakistan versus 8 Bangladesh. Let's welcome our Data Duck YouTube channel. Area 3.28 million square kilometers, 3.35 million square kilometers, 1.18 million square kilometers. Population 1.4 billion, 920 million, 1.32 billion. Density 413.3 per square kilometer, 274 per square kilometer, 1111 per square kilometer. GDP for nominal $3.53 trillion, $1.5 trillion, $3.68 trillion. GDP per capita $2,521, $1,618, $2,787. GDP for PPP $11.74 trillion, $6 trillion, $11 trillion. GDP per capita for PPP $8,358, $6,662, $8,333. Most followed religion: Hinduism 1.12 billion, Islam 880 million, Islam 1.17 billion. Most spoken language: Hindi 600 million, Punjabi 320 million, Bengali 1.29 billion. Military comparison: active personnel 1.45 million, 2.6 million, 1.3 million. Battle tanks 11,296, 4,614, 5,296. Aircraft 5,432, 2,186, 1,520. Nuclear weapons 160, 660, 0. Submarine 36, 17, 16. Defense budget $73 billion, $40 billion, $30.4 billion. Olympic performance: total Olympic medals 35, 40, 0. Gold 12, 10, 0. Silver 9, 12, 0. Bronze 16, 16, 0. Internet users 834 million, 237 million, 535 million. Number of billionaires 237, 40, 64. Life expectancy 68 years, 70.2 years, 72.8 years. Median age 22.8 years, 28.4 years, 27.6 years. Literacy rate 82%, 67%, 74.9%. Poverty rate 13.4%, 19.8%, 20.5%. Fertility rate for birth per women 2.21, 3.2, 1.95. Birth rate per 1000 peoples 17.2, 26.5, 17.6. Death rate per 1000 peoples 7.3, 6.9, 5.54. HDI 0.633, 0.544, 0.661. Tourist arrivals per year 10.38 million, 5 million, 2.56 million. Hospital bed per 1000 peoples 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. Average monthly income $210, $126, $232. Access with electricity 96.7%, 88%, 91%. Population growth 1950 349 million, 152 million, 304 million, 2000 1.05 billion, 594 million, 1.03 billion, 2022 1.4 billion, 920 million, 1.32 billion. Population growth in between 1952-2022, 301%, 505%, 334%. Age structure, 0 to 14 years, 26.16%, 34.82%, 26.48%, 15 to 64 years, 67.27%, 60.83%, 66.69%, more than 65 years, 6.83%, 4.35%, 6.57%.
Similar, like in another and
like 30% similar between.
Okay, guys, that was the comparison. Like we see, like
Much information.
so much of information given here. For sure, we cannot tell you all that.
Yeah.
But we are going with the main things. Like India is known for the population, like 1.4 billion now. Currently in the world, India is what? There.
The highest
populated country in the world.
Yeah.
Everyone knows that.
Yeah, for sure.
And because
This is 2023. For 2024 is China.
currently
This is
China is China.
They Google it.
Really?
Oh, really? Even me, I was not informed too.
No. Just Google that, man.
Let me
How possible is that?
Now I get to know. Before I know it is India. With the
Yeah.
highest population in the world.
I've seen videos in Instagram.
Who is the highest populated country in the world?
2024.
24.
India, according to
The
statistics.
2022, we want to know about 2024. We are going to see.
Wait.
It's still India, I believe. India.
Still India, then China. See?
China is second.
Population of- Yeah.
China is coming
How
second.
many
India,
difference?
man.
How many difference?
It's India. It's still India, bro.
1.4 billion, and this one. Okay. The difference is like 20%. Just from here, you will know. See the population 1.4 billion, like they say. This one 1.4, but 25 here 4. Or Bumia or Mashallah Arba, you know. But a bit name. It's like different of Anyhow, we are saying India is highest populated country
In the war.
in the world, and even when it comes to military, when we saw here, India is still the
Number
greatest.
one, they have aircraft, they have
Yeah.
submarine,
They have, like,
also a lot of heavy artillery.
Global rank,
Yeah.
India in global rank now.
It's
Seven.
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 6, right?
Yeah.
7 or 6.
Global rank, but military rank is
7.
It's 5.
5. Military bara global. Global yani كيف زي يعني.
China,
Yeah.
most powerful countries in the whole world.
Yeah.
So-
But let's come to Pakistan and Bangladesh. Me, I saw like actually Pakistan and Bangladesh, they separated. They were one country.
Alright.
Bangladesh separated. Before they were all one country, but Pakistan separated from India.
From India.
Pakistan was as one country with Bangladesh. Then again, Bangladesh separated from Pakistan. Yeah.
So Abalazim, you have idea about what the capital of Bangladesh?
Well, actually, I have no clue at the moment. Because I'm getting to get to know from you guys.
What about the Pakistan? I said it before.
Islamabad.
Islamabad, yeah,
Good boy.
Pakistan.
I know it's my boy. He's always,
Bangladesh?
Bangladesh?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
I don't know.
It's
What,
Dhaka.
okay, which language are they speaking?
Which language?
Bengali.
Bengali.
Okay.
What about Pakistan? What language they speak?
Bengali.
Punjabi, yeah? They also speak Urdu.
And India, they are speaking Hindi.
Hindi.
And Sudan will speak Arabic.
Arabic. Yeah.
Yeah. So now we are doing little challenge because India have so many languages.
Yeah.
So I'm going to.
There is no official language in India.
No official language.
Someone of my friends there.
No,
Yeah, before it was that.
But now it's Hindi.
Yeah.
Hindi still dominates. It's still number one.
We can say like Hindi is the first language,
For sure.
second English, then coming to remaining.
remaining.
So who will speak in Hindi, Telugu? We are kind
Hello, Naro.
Tumudu, how are you?
Namaste.
Namperu Samsona.
Tinawa?
Hindi, kiasi hai?
Kate ho.
Mera naam Gabs Gabi. Yeah. Thank you.
Urdu.
Urdu. He knows it. Arabic.
Ismi
Usman Karim.
Ismi Karim. Ismi Abdul Wahab.
Usman Karim Abdul Wahab.
He's from Sudan.
من السودان.
من السودان.
Sudani.
Sudani.
Sudani. ونقول السلام عليكم جميعا نتمنى لكم وتعالوا بركاته. Arabic.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. You know, he's from South Sudan, so
You speak
Arabic
also
is
Arabic.
somehow difficult for him because his
Yeah.
mother tongue is English. Yeah, he's learning Arabic, so pardon him, guys.
We'll same
So-
page with him.
So,
Yeah,
so I will speak. We are going to conclude the video, but before everything, just subscribe, and I'm going to say something in English. He will translate in Arabic. So, as African,
Don't laugh at me.
as African, we are wishing all Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan. We are wishing them all the best, and we are wishing them the development and improvement for the whole country, economically and military. Fadal.
In Arabic, he said in English. Oh, let me translate in Arabic. He said that نتمنى لكم نتمنى لدولة الهند بنغلاديش وباكستان كل الحب وكل النجاح والتطورات والازدهار والنمو والاقتصادي وهكذا يعني كلام جميل.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.